What's up, people? Today I'm doing some sledding. Not just any type of sledding, some back of the truck sledding. Spencer's meeting me up there. We're gonna do some fucking ripping. We're gonna do some ripping. It's gonna be lit. I'll see you there. What up, fuckers? We're at the spot. This is the setup. They fucked me up on the tow rope. Who does that shit? It's so short. But hey, let's hope I don't get hit. Spencer's the first driver. I'm the first ripper. This guy in, motherfucker. We about to backcountry rip.
I wish it was cool and me, but so far has not been good. It's been shitty, and I feel awkward as I should. This club has got to be the most pretentious thing since I thought you and me. Well, I am imagining a dark lit place, or your place, or my place. Well, I'm not paralyzed, but I seem to be struck by you. I wanna make you move because you're standing still. If your body matches what your eyes can do, you'll probably move right through me on my way to you. I hold out for one more drink before I think I'm looking too desperately, but so far has not been fun. I should just stay home. If one thing really means one, this club will hopefully be closed in 3 weeks. That would be cool with me. Well, I'm still imagining a dark lit place, or your place, or my place. Well, I'm not paralyzed, but I seem to be struck by you. I wanna make you move because you're standing still. If your body matches what your eyes can do, you'll probably move right through me.
Can't forget to hydrate. You always gotta hydrate. You know, hydrating's important. Hydrate. You need some water? Nah. I need some motherfucking Coca-Cola. That shit good. That shit nice. That's just what I need. That's the energy. Now we're about to go rip again. See the truck out in the distance. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's fucking hit this shit. Fuck yeah. Coca-Cola. Fuck yeah. What up, people? This is the farewell tour. This is our final fucking rip. Smoking.
I'm not paralyzed, but I seem to be struck by you. I wanna make you move because you're standing still. If your body matches what your eyes can do, you'll probably move right through me on my way to you. Not paralyzed, but I seem to be struck by you. I wanna make you move because you're standing still. If your body matches what your eyes can do, you'll probably move right through me on my way to you. You'll probably move right through me on my way to you.
That was the final rip. I think that went pretty well.
I think so.
Peace out.
Ready for part 2?
Part 2. Good morning, people. This is motherfucking day 2. We doing some more ripping. We got the fellers in the other vehicle.
What's up?
We doing some good ripping. Let's go.
So we cut it on my TV, but we don't have to watch that, no. I turn off the radio. So won't you pick up and we can link up? It's not a hookup. Don't think about it too much, too much. You just need to pick up, then we can link up. Don't think about it too much, too much. Don't think about it too much, too much. Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much, too much, too much. Do you think about the days when we sat down smoking wine and drinking haze? Or is it the other way?
DT Racer.
Is it the other
Spence
way?
popping on his feet, and he's ripping. He's gonna have some fucking ripping good time. He's on his feet, and I'm gonna film him for you guys.
We don't have to watch that, no. I turn off the radio. So won't you pick up, then we can link up. It's not a hookup. Don't think about it too much, too much. You just need to pick up, then we can link up. Don't think about it too much, too much. Don't think about it too much.
First time skier, how you feeling?
I haven't been skiing in 6 years. I've only gone once in my life, so I'm ready.
Spencer in the back, Coach in the back. Got this shit hooked up.
We cut it on my TV, but we don't have to watch that, no. I turn off the radio. So won't you pick up, and we can link up. It's not a hookup. Don't think about it too much, too much. You just need to pick up, then we can link up. Don't think about it too much, too much. Don't think about it too much, too much. Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much, too much, too much. Do you think about the days when we sat down smoking wine and drinking haze? Or is it the other way? Is it the other way? Swing round, come on, chill with me. I got your favorite show. We got it on my TV, but we don't have to watch that, no. I turn off the radio. So won't you pick up, then we can link up. It's not a hookup. Don't think about it too much, too much.
Round two, baby.
Round 2.
We got Logan in the back. Logan's the coach. Dude, that backflip.
Just lean back and
That's the funniest fucking thing I've ever seen. Dude, I saw you out my side window. Holy shit, that was so fucking funny. We're doing the switch up. Logan's hopping in the skis. He's hopping in the boots. Logan's gonna have a good rip.
Grandpa would occasionally come.
Yo.
My mom would
Gang's
help out
ready.
when it was like
Gang's
selecting
ready.
pizzas or whatever.
All I ever wanted was a
Hello,
black
sir.
grand
Name and
national.
occupation.
Rational.
Logan
Give 'em what
Hess,
they asked for.
male stripper.
It's not enough. Few solid niggas left,
Mr.
but
Coach
it's not
in the
enough.
back.
Few bitches that are really stepped, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I make them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music. They like what he own. This the Alpha and Omega, bitch. Welcome home. This is not a song. This is a revelation. How to get a nigga gone. Need you a man, baby. I don't understand, baby. Pay your bill and make you feel protected like I can, baby. You son, I'll let you like a man, baby. Don't put your life in the real niggas' hands, baby. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few
So,
bitches that are really
unfortunately,
stepped, but it's not enough. Say you
my
bigger than
handlebars
myself, but
fell
it's not
off.
enough. I get on their ass.
Shit.
Somebody gotta do it.
That
I
thing's
make them niggas
just
mad.
sitting right
Somebody
there.
gotta do it. I take the
But
G pad. Watch a nigga do it.
we have an alternative. Spencer's Racer. It's got better stepping. It's got Stronger handlebar. Suspension. Tight shit. But we're doing some ripping. Thanks. Elliott's doing some skiing, and we might do some snowboarding.
Are you boys ready?
I hate a bitch that's hating on a bitch and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch, I cut my granny off and she don't see it how I see it. Got a big mouth but he lack big ideas. Send him to the moon, that's just how I feel, yellin'. It's not enough. Few solid niggas, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are really stacked, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. Hey.
Chuck.
Niggas acting bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. 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 Ain't no other king in this rap thing, they siblings. Nothing but my children. One shot, they disappearing. I'm in a city with a flag be getting thrown like it was past interference. Padlock around the building. Crash pulling up in a unmarked truck just to play freeze tag. With a boner pick like it was sea bass. So when I made it out, I made about 50K from a show. Trying to show niggas the ropes before they hung from a rope. I'm prophetic. They only talk about it, how I get it. Only good for saving face, seen the cosmetics. How many heads I gotta take to level my aesthetics? Hurry up and get your muscle up. We up the plyometric. Nigga ran up out of luck, soon as up the highest metric. The city just made it sweet, you could diabetic. They mouth get full of deceit, let these cowards tell it. Walk in New Orleans with the etiquette of LA yelling. Niggas acting bad, but somebody gotta do it. Got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off. Turn this TV off, turn this TV off.
Shit get crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious, crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious, crazy, scary.
What up, people? We've been building a jump for a little bit. Been doing circles. Got the Master Packard over there, and then we got the jump. We got no landing. We're just gonna fucking send it. But that's the jump so far. Logan's been hauling our asses around because he don't want to. But it's been going good.
Fuck you, faggot.
It's been going good. Check it when we actually jump in this hole. Spencer's doing the first test run of the jump. Let's go, baby. Nice and smooth. Peace out. Fucking dragged me by my ankle. And try to put on the makeup in the mirror and crash. Fuck you, Hudson.
Oh! It's not meant for 6'3" people. I know how I did it. It's designed for toddlers, and I'm riding it behind a truck. I fell off the side when I slid down the side of the fucking little mountain kind of. It's just lodged like where he started. The rope started. This is exactly how you get like that. And then like this.